Welcome back, sickos. Welcome to the
Hey,
channel. What's up? This is Manav. That's Ash, and we're back with
uh,
another exciting podcast. जिसके अंदर हम सिर्फ games खेलने वाले हैं
only
तुम्हारे लिए.
games.
We have understood कि तुम्हें games देखना ज़्यादा पसंद है
Yeah,
हमारे
हमारी
हमारे
बातें
साथ.
इतनी सुनना तुम्हें पसंद है, which is fine, which is fine.
Which is fine by us. हमें मजा आता है
So
game
this
खेलने में.
time हमें एक बहुत interesting game मिली है online,
Right.
which is
Yes.
basically Wordle. Daily Wordle आती थी एक newspaper में एक टाइम पे. उसका इन्होंने Pokemon, One Piece and Naruto के versions create किए हैं.
So this is the dull podcast.
Yeah, this is the dull
I
podcast.
quickly.
So भाई
just realized.
मैं Pokemon actually not just me, you also are a Pokemon expert.
I proved
हमने
it
लास्ट
last
वीडियो में प्रूव करवा दिया है वो 60 सेकंड्स में 55 Pokemon के
That was
नाम लिए थे.
awesome.
Let's do it, dude. I think we'll sail through it
Do you
like
want to
one
go
by one.
from the bottom to the top or
No,
top
no,
to
from the top.
from the
Make
top?
it drop.
Alright.
It's
Classic. Alright. So rules बहुत simple है. This is where basically we guess a random Pokemon और हमें hints देगा कि क्या सही है क्या गलत.
कौन से
कैसे
टाइप
हम-
का है,
कैसे
कौन
हम
से
kill
कलर का
करेंगे.
है.
Yeah.
And we have to
As
get
we
closer
play,
to
you
it.
understand better. So Ash, do you want to start with Pikachu itself or do you
नहीं
want to
नहीं नहीं.
change it up?
Not at all. I'll go
I
with
usually do different type of like
so
Pokemon.
starter
ताकि-
do starters ना. उससे
Yeah,
तेरे को
okay, so
टाइप
I'll
पता
do-
लग जाएगा. Do
I'll go
Charmander,
my
perfect.
favorite Charmander.
So it's not fire.
Okay, it's not fire.
But
It is
it's
orange. And in the first evolution stage.
Which
okay.
means it's not Squirtle, it's not gonna
It's
be
not Squirtle, it's not going to be
Bulbasaur.
Bulbasaur either.
Or
So something
Pikachu.
fire. और
They-
Pikachu. No, Pikachu हो सकता है. It's an electric Pokemon. ना Pikachu तो electric होता है.
but it's not orange ना.
It's not orange, right?
yellow.
So-
Go for Paris.
Ooh, that's a good guess. That's it, bro.
Let's
That's there you
go.
go. That's
Let's
called
go.
that's called Pokédel. So as you can see, यहाँ पर तुम्हें guess दिखाई देते हैं. Red मतलब बिल्कुल ही खराब है. Yellow मतलब partially ठीक है.
Right.
And green is correct. And Paris was correct, completely
बहुत
correct, which is
See,
awesome. That's the
मैंने
second. guess.
I'm an expert at
That's
Gen 1
just Ash. That's just Ash being Ash. Blurry card.
I know this.
Venonat.
Venonat, yes.
Yeah.
yes.
Very, very easy.
Too
this is
easy,
very
bro.
easy. This is very easy.
We are legends at
I think Pokédel is बहुत easy हमारे लिए. हमने बहुत
वो
बार
वन पीस
खेली.
वाले में दिक्कत आएगी देखियो.
Oh come on, come on. ये तो मतलब
Pokemon created by recombining Mewtwo. Okay, that's
ये तो
obvious.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा obvious
Yeah.
कर दिया.
They were not even
Are
trying.
these oh
Cubone.
yeah. I just wrote it.
Legend, bro.
That was so easy. That was
So
so
easy.
fast. I thought
Next.
थोड़ा struggle करेंगे. Okay,
What?
One Piece is all you, by the way. So I'm.
Let's do Naruto first. अच्छा चल One Piece
Oh,
कर ले.
I can do Naruto
नहीं नहीं,
also.
let's do it.
This is all you. I have no idea.
हाँ, तो कमाल की बात है, मैंने ये प्रैक्टिस के लिए खेला था एंड इसमें मैंने फर्स्ट डाला ज़ोरो एंड दैट वाज द आंसर.
Oh shit. Do you want? Okay. Do you want to try again?
नहीं फिर से नहीं होगा. They do like
Okay.
rarely come back.
Yeah. And plus One Piece has a lot of characters, so I rarely
एंड
read the same
एंड
one.
आई नो तुमने देखा हम वन पीस के एकदम सॉरी पोकेमोन वाले एकदम यूं क्लियर कर गए बट दिस इज गोना
ये नहीं होने
सक.
वाला.
दिस इज
gonna
गोइंग टू
suck,
सक. कितने सारे
Especially the
characters
voice
हैं.
वाला.
हाँ,
Especially the laugh वाला.
laugh
That's
वाला.
gonna suck very bad. Because you don't even get hints उसके अंदर.
But bro,
That's
you know, I
crazy.
did it on live stream Friday को.
Yeah. I
And
saw that.
and my audience helped me because I was like, ये कौन है भाई, बता दो.
Exactly. And हम मुझे नहीं
Let's-
पता. So you are
Let's
the only
start
one.
with somebody like peak. What's your favorite character? Zoro के अलावा.
My favorite is Sanji actually.
Oh, let's
Not
go with Sanji then.
Zoro. It's
Let's go
probably
Sanji.
Sanji. It is a male.
It
see?
is a male.
Oh, no
And
devil
No
fruit.
devil fruit. That is a big.
And from the North Blue. Okay.
No, वो तो हेल्प ही नहीं करेगा भाई. मेरे को याद ही नहीं कौन कौन
Could
से
it-
ब्लू से.
Could it be a marine? नहीं, but last bounty. हाँ,
It-
क्योंकि last bounty 330 मिनट से नीचे है तो marine भी हो, zero भी हो
It
सकती है.
could be. Like try for a marine. Like straw hats में से नहीं है
Smoker?
तो हाँ smoker कर ले. That's a
Smoker?
good idea.
Okay,
It's not a marine.
And bounty है, but zero से
Oh
ज़्यादा है.
अच्छा smoker हमें करना भी नहीं चाहिए था. उसके पास devil fruit है. So we need
Oh, right.
people with
Sorry.
no devil
Again,
fruit.
not my cup of tea. This is not my cup of tea.
So somebody like Shanks could be it.
Okay. Shanks.
क्योंकि
Oof, not from the Red Hair Pirates. But good guess, I would say. Because कोई
so
devil
I
fruit
think
नहीं
फिर law भी कर ले. नहीं law नहीं, not law. Law
Law
की
नहीं?
crew में there's nobody who doesn't have a devil fruit.
है. Ooh, okay.
एक सेकंड हमारी आर्क भी पता चल रही है ना. So it's go to Wano. Do somebody like Odin.
Odian.
ODIN.
ODI is not.
ODEN.
ODEN. है.
Yeah.
Oh, nope.
Okay. So
This
ये
is- I- again.
वानो से नीचे है and romance down. So what I'm trying to do is narrow down with the arc. ये बहुत help करता है.
Okay.
Oh, try
This
Goldie
guy-
Rogers. Why not?
Okay,
Roger
no.
Pirate में नहीं है and
And because Bounty देखना, Bounty is way like 330 million से नीचे है, so it's probably some of those low side characters जो होता है ना.
side characters are so hard to
That's a
remember.
problem. Because One Piece में बहुत सारे side
बहुत
characters
सारे हैं.
Oh, we have a hint वैसे.
हाँ,
Do you
let's
want to?
let's check. Chapter 227 और
Episode
इतना early.
148.
So maybe try Nolan.
Nolan?
Yeah.
Like Christopher Nolan?
नहीं,
Nolan?
this guy, yeah.
Mo Blanc? Nope. This is crazy. If we know this, affiliation मिल गया एक बारी. I
और
think we'll be
स्काइपिया
able
से
to-
पहले और ड्रम आइलैंड के बाद तो अलाबास्ता ही आता है भाई. अलाबास्ता में मना कर दिया ना उसने. Did we
But
try?
there were, we did try VV.
हाँ, and it said और रिवर्स माउंटेन
उसकी-
में आई थी अलाबास्ता.
But वो Kingdom से नहीं है. That's my point. वो Kingdom से नहीं है, but Alabasta में हो सकती है.
ट्राई डोफ्लामिंगो.
It is not Doflamingo.
नहीं, आई थिंक वो ड्रम आइलैंड में आता है पहली बार.
But I very much doubt it's true.
जाया.
It is the.
इट्स जाया.
Oh shit.
जाया
Oh my
के
God.
अंदर
When is Buggy introduced?
I
But
think
Buggy
बहुत
was a
पहले
devil
आता
fruit
है.
है. No, devil fruit है वैसे.
हाँ, नहीं बट जाया. सो नाउ वी हैव जाया.
Yeah.
जाया के प्रोमिनेंट कैरेक्टर्स वो बार में आते हैं, लड़ाई करते हैं. वो एक बुढ़ा मिलता है जो उनको स्टोरी बताता है पूरी की पूरी. आई फॉरगॉट हिज
Okay.
नेम.
Okay.
वो मंकी वाला जो बंदा था जो पूरी कहानी बताता है नोलैंड की, उसका नाम क्या था भाई?
I have no fucking idea. Is it Bartholomew Kuma?
आई एम सो स्टूपिड ब्रो.
Oh my god, this is so
कुमा
fucking
कहाँ से?
after insulting Straw Hats.
क्रिकेट. ट्राई क्रिकेट.
Cricket. Let's go cricket.
दिस
Mo Blanc cricket. Is that it? I think that's it. Is that it's a kind of
yeah, I knew
it is cricket.
मैं
There you go,
नोलन
finally,
मैं
let's
नोलन
go.
तक आ गया था and I was like
You did a
इसी
good
का
job.
वो है ancestor.
We took 17 tries. You did a good job. Good
The
job.
only problem with this one, by the way, I knew the answer.
Yeah.
All I did not know was कि
The name.
नाम क्या है बंदे का.
This should be easy. Even I know this. I
Hana
think.
Hana Nomi.
I think I know this.
You know this? Flower fruit.
This is Robin.
It is, yeah,
Yeah, I know this.
for sure.
Yeah. I know this. Wanted. It's gonna be Nami. Oh shit!
It is Nami. You called it before it even appeared. That's crazy, bro.
Oh shit!
What
Oh
a
my
what a
God.
win. तो एक round was the hectic one, and अब जो next आएगा is going to
This
be
is
terrible.
not. This is again out of my. I'm gonna. Just tell me तेरे को आवाज आ रही है?
बड़ी echo ही है इसकी.
I have
Do
no
that
idea.
again.
It starts with a. It goes like that.
That is.
I have no idea. It looks like a tournament going on.
हाँ.
आसपास बहुत सारे
हाँ.
लोग हैं. And it looks like a bad guy.
Try Foxy
Some-
Pirates में से कोई.
I don't know, man. Foxfire.
Foxy.
I don't know. Foxy.
Okay,
not
not
Fox.
him.
Foxy शक्ल से नहीं लगता कि इसकी आवाज होगी. I'm gonna play it again for you.
Damn,
It
dude.
looks like-
Why does it feel like I've heard that?
Is it Goldie Roger?
Try that. Why not?
not Goldie.
He's.
Is it the monkey's grandfather? What's his name?
Garp?
Garp.
Not a
Is it
bad,
Garp?
not a bad guess.
It's not
But
Garp.
it's very villainous.
Yeah, it is villainous. He looks like a villain to me. Honestly.
Try Doflamingo.
Is it Doflamingo? I don't think it's Doflamingo. It is. Oh shit! That's amazing.
Let's go.
Good one. All right.
Like,
This
so
is,
I'm not gonna lie. The first answer that came to me was Doflamingo for some reason.
should have always
That's
go
a-
for it with the gut.
वो
Always go with the gut.
instinct पे जाना चाहिए था. Okay, next is Naruto.
This should be easier. I believe.
Guess the
What do you want to
character.
start with?
I'm gonna try with Jiraiya Sensei.
Ooh, okay, that's
Why
a
not?
good. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Chunin में आया था. And male है and Konoha से है.
So it's either Neji or Rock Lee.
And no, not really.
Yeah. Yeah, it's either Kabuto Konoha से नहीं है. Rock Lee was introduced. The
हाँ,
Konoha
try
characters were
Rock Lee.
introduced-
Try Rock Lee.
It's Rock Lee. जितना टाइम लगाता ना वो रोड होने में, I know
let's
it's Rock
go.
Lee. It's
Too
that
easy, bro.
See, this is the difference between knowing your characters
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
very well. Plus, this is
Arc-
very easy. Tooling
Arc
ज़्यादा
पता
I
लग
hate
जाए
it.
तो it's easy.
Right.
Which character fight is this?
Oh, isn't that Kurama's
Kurama.
orange color?
It is Kurama.
But it's not good. It's not Naruto or anyone.
It does look like Naruto, bro.
No, it's not. Definitely not. Because this is that's a bar. It's either pain ऐसा कुछ नहीं करता ना.
नहीं.
But pain is the dark one.
But it looks like Ninetale transformation. मैं मजाक भी नहीं कर
It looks like the color is very very well. It is not Naruto. ये तो मैं I can bet on it. I can bet on it. It's not Naruto.
ठीक है.
It's a. Okay, just give me.
Red aura और किसका है?
I'm gonna zoom in a lot.
हाँ, that's fine.
Obito का orange आता है. This is that bars in the. हाँ, it's Obito.
Obito.
This is when he has revealed himself, and
Okay.
he has. It's Obito.
So
How
try
do I
it.
explain?
Try it. मैं कुछ बोल
It
नहीं
has
सकता.
to be Obito. Yeah.
Oh, what?
I know this, bhai. I know my jutsu very well.
That is
I
insane.
have been. I play this every day, man. I know how to see
Oh, ये
colors.
इसमें
now.
Obito है भी नहीं. इसमें literally वो skewers दिखा रहे हैं उसके.
Yeah, right. The skewers that he puts up for protection, like वो shield के लिए. That's what it is.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay,
I know
GG's. I'll give you that one.
I can trust you because of who you are. For the sake of our nation and village, you've done our dirty work, and additionally, you followed through our treacherous assignments. You're very well aware this world is full of. This could be anybody.
नहीं, मैं बता सकता हूँ. ये बोला इताची को जा रहा है.
मेरे को भी यही लग रहा है कि it is one of those elders who are
हाँ,
talking
it's
to it.
not just वो कौन सा जो एंड में आके लड़ाई करता है सास्के से, बुढ़ा, एक हाथ कट जाता है उसका.
Danzo नहीं है.
नहीं.
Danzo नहीं है.
और-
This is two scenarios.
Yeah.
One, this is the elders telling Itachi to kill the whole clan.
हाँ.
This is one that. Or two, this is Kisame को बोला जा रहा है ये about by the छोटू कागे जो होता है उसका. This is not necessarily
It
Konoha.
says
That's what
you've
I'm
done
talking.
our dirty work. R का तो like
हाँ, तो
literally.
Kisame was also one of the spies for
Ah.
his village. No, hidden mist का जो spy
नहीं, but
था वो Kisame
I
था.
feel strongly कि
Right. I have same. Not
इताची
gonna lie. उसका नाम कुछ
आनबू फील में है.
मीतो का तो मुझे लग रहा है कि सीनियर्स में से कोई एक है. Yes, one woman, one this, and you're saying Danzo नहीं.
डांजो.
Danzo was too serious for this. Yeah.
Okay.
I know गारा की बुड्ढी का नाम चियो होता है. This I know. But ये नहीं है.
She's not her.
Yeah, she's not her. It cannot be Chiyo though.
ये तो बाद में आती है.
Nah, there you go. I know who this is then.
किजामे.
This is इसका नाम नहीं पता मेरे को. ये याकुरा काराताजी है. Yeah.
What?
This is the youngest Kage, the one who does
Ah.
that. He dies very early.
हाँ, मैं समझ गया.
Yeah. Do you
Ah.
wanna?
Sage mode.
No. Oh no. What?
What are we looking for?
That's Gamabuntu. That's the frog.
That's the frog. Yeah.
Yeah. No, you said Sage Jutsu. That's why I was like.
Oh,
yeah,
अच्छा.
right.
हाँ नहीं, that's
That is
the
Gamabuntu.
older वाला frog.
Yeah. Oh, that's
And-
it. There you go. That's the easiest dull we have done. Like not. I mean,
One
Purple was
Piece
the
में
easiest.
सिर्फ एक जगह फंसे हम.
Right. Of course.
And everything else
And
was.
I also clutched in One Piece by saying Nami out.
नहीं वो तो obvious ही था, but you called it before
That was
it
so
coming
crazy.
up.
Yeah.
Good shit, bro. और ये
Good shit.
तुम भी try कर सकते हो, by the way. हम इसका link description
हाँ.
में डाल देंगे. You
It's
can play
very
all the
free.
games.
It is free for everybody.
Yeah.
It's
And
very
ये
fun.
daily update होता है, तो आज जो character
Right.
था वो कल
As
नहीं
you can
होगा.
see, 3 घंटे में अभी हो जाएगा.
Change
This is
रहेगा.
Europe time. Wordle की तरह 12 बजे नहीं होता है. So yeah.
Ah.
But yes, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed us see struggle for One Piece and do not understand.
सारा
simple
काट दूंगा
words.
मैं, सारा काट दूंगा.
सीधा first to last guess. So हो गया. But yes, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the
See you
next
next time.
podcast.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.